Happy Sabbath, folks. This has been the first Sabbath that we've spent living at our new home. We got in late last night. Friday night, was the first night that we spent asleep at this property. It was cold because obviously it's been a bit vacant for quite some time, so it would probably take a few days to warm up properly as we get settled in and start putting things in their rightful places. We spent the Sabbath at home today because we had a long night on Thursday night leading into the morning, so we had some heavy rainfalls. We had the removal van on Thursday night, and we needed to get the removal van back to the rental company. And because of the amount of rain that was coming down, the soil got really soaked and it was really soft. So every time we tried to drive the van, it will sink into the soil. So the more we drove, the more it sank. It was like standing in sinking sand. Okay, go! Oh! You know what? I think we should put the wood behind. I was saying put the wood behind the wheel instead, because it keeps going back into the hole. So there was a huge ditch that was formed while we were trying to get out. The more we revved the car, the more it just refused to move. It got stuck and it would sink lower and lower and lower, to a point where this was at around 10 p.m. at night, when we finished bringing the stuff over, and we had signal, thank God. However, we didn't have enough charge in our phones, neither of us. TK had about 5%, and his was near enough done when we tried to call for help. So we called the AA. They said that it would take about 3 to 4 hours to get to where we are. So we didn't get back to the rental company in Reading till around after 3 a.m. in the morning. So we had quite a long night, Thursday night into Friday morning. We decided, because we were so tired, it wasn't safe to drive back. So we slept in Reading on Friday morning. And then once we were recuperated, we then resumed to travel back here for Sabbath. And that's pretty much how our moving went. There's more to the story, but I think I'll have to designate a video specifically for that. Possibly bring TK in this video this time. But I just thought I'd bring you along with me on my Sabbath walk. TK and JJ have already gone ahead, and I decided to stay back behind here because I found some rose hip. I think it's rose hip anyway, and I think I found some blueberries. I'm not sure if they are, but they do look like blueberries. Oh no, I thought those were raspberries. Or maybe they are too. No, not raspberries, blackcurrant. Blackcurrant, blueberries, and rosehip. I have to show TK, but I can't get through to see if it's actually blueberries because there's thorn bushes here. Probably could clear it. If this is going to produce blueberries, we can pick some. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, these are closer. I don't know if you guys can tell me if this is blueberries or not. Is that a blueberry? I'm scared to take a piece and it could be poisonous, but I think I'll just pick one, to be honest, and see and test it at home. It looks like a blueberry. Let's go get a second opinion. We're just exploring the surroundings of the country home, seeing what's around, and just admiring nature and what God has created for us to enjoy. So we're out here on a nature walk, enjoying God's creation on a Sabbath. I keep hearing rustling, like things moving in the hedges, and I think they're pheasants. But earlier I saw a hawk, but TK said it was a falcon. It was so big. I've never seen one in person before, ever. I've always seen it on TV, you know, on David Attenborough's documentaries and stuff, but I've never seen it in person. They're so big. They are so big. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I have no words to describe it. And it was just perched up on the tree, looking for its next prey. There's so many birds of prey around here. There's owls, there's eagles, falcons. You could probably hear in the distance something sounding like fireworks, but it's not. It's the local farmers. They have specific dates and times of the year where they shoot pheasants, and that's what you can hear in the distance. I found a blueberry. I think it's a blueberry, but I need a second opinion before I eat it, just in case it's poisonous.
It is a blueberry.
It is. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a blueberry.